fall of the year has settled in. These birds are, look at all those birds coming out. A whole lot of pigeons. This is probably one of my best breeding years since I've been here for the past 13 years. And they have been awesome. It's feeding time. They know that. They see me with this bucket. Hey, gang. Time to go in. Let's go. As you can see, they are in here going dessert. Still a few out here. The majority of them are inside. See, the fall of the year brings the hawks out for sure. But this is a small falcon called a kestrel. But it did try to catch one of my birds, which was pretty funny. Now, one of my smaller pigeons he may be able to grab. This is a female kestrel. Now that fall has settled in, we're going to get ready for winter time. Got to work on this coop a little bit. I got a leak on one side of the roof. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.